We know that dementia is a life-limiting condition. Getting near the end of life, a person with dementia will most likely experience unwanted changes. More often than not, it's the family members that are pushed into the throes of clinical caregiving that they're really not prepared to do. Fortunately, hospice has professionals that can step in and help provide management of terminal restlessness for a lot of patients. Sometimes there are good outcomes resulting in a peaceful death. Sometimes there's not.
Although we don't have evidence from double-blind, placebo-controlled trials about current treatment using morphine, Haldol, and Valium, specialists want to take care of very unique symptoms. They want to take care of the pain with morphine. They want to take care of the anxiety with Valium, and they want to take care of the fears of death with the Haldol. Unfortunately, the morphine has the side effects of pruritus and constipation. The Valium is the one that causes the cloudiness of consciousness, and the Haldol generates rigidity and tremors. There are many differences between the treatment that we propose here. We went through a careful pharmacological review to see what will be the profile of the medications that they are likely to help the individuals. By using the combination of THC and CBD, we will be able to accomplish probably the same goals that the morphine, Valium, Haldol would have, but without the side effects, and hopefully alleviate the suffering. This treatment is conceived from the beginning from a scientific point of view, given the profile of the compound, and is being studied systematically using the same approach that we take for any clinical trial, for any new medication.
The LiBBY study is a phase 2 double-blind, multi-center, randomized trial testing the safety and efficacy of this THC-CBD combination for the treatment of agitation at the end of life and dementia. The study is sponsored by the National Institute on Aging and coordinated by the Alzheimer's Therapeutic Research Institute. The study will recruit 150 participants from 15 to 20 sites across the country. A total daily dose of 8 milligrams of THC and 400 milligrams of CBD will be administered in a digestible oil 2 times daily. Visits will take place at screening, and then a week later at baseline, and then at weeks 1 and 2, and then at weeks 4, 8, and 12. And in between, the study teams will be making phone calls to check on the participant status. Key inclusion criteria for the LiBBY study include hospice-eligible patients with agitation and dementia, persons aged 40 years of age and older, have an informant or study partner who is able and willing to provide accurate information about the participant.
Participation in the LiBBY study will help advance the knowledge of THC and CBD and its possible benefit during end-of-life agitation, leading the way for larger phase trials to enter the arena. These are exciting times to introduce another alternative that will possibly enhance someone's quality of life towards its end.